IPO, total IPO we are expecting is around 10% of total equity share. The price band is 1215 to 1240, and the expectation is around 4,000 crores expected to be netted out of it. And so, business is concerned, HAL has had a very steady business. Our order book as of now stands around 68,000 crores. Our so far the mainstay was basically on the both sides, fixing side and rotary wing side. Fixing side we had Su-30, we had Jaguar, we had Mirage. Insofar as rotary side concerned, we had a very strong presence. That we had Cheetah Chetak. We have now we are starting with we have ALH, advanced light helicopter, 5.5 to 6 ton, and LCH, which is one of the going to be one of the major mainstays of Air Force. This helicopter has already uh, gone up to the height of 19,000 altitude, which is considered to be a feat nowhere matched by any other force. Defense privatization, essentially, this issue has been what you call in the air for quite some time. Insofar as I can tell you, insofar as HL is concerned, HL had a very strong presence insofar as defense. 80% of the flying platforms are maintained, supported by us. Insofar as it essentially is a government policy as to what they want to do. Insofar as we are concerned, we are quite sure that whatever role HL has to play, it will continue to have a very dominant presence in the defense scenario.